Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: free commercial fonts. Before starting our video, just do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Using a commercial font without a proper license is considered copyright infringement and is against the law. Fonts, like other creative works, are protected by copyright, and the creators or owners of the fonts have the exclusive rights to determine how their fonts are used and distributed. So today, I want to show you a website where you can find free commercial fonts for your future projects. Go to your favorite search engine and type FontSpace. After entering site search font you want, for example, Classic Street Funny or something, then press Commercial Use button, then download the font you like and you're good to go. Thank you so much for watching and being a part of our creative community. Until next time, keep exploring, experimenting, and enjoying the world of design. Take care, and see you soon. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up to show your support. Sharing this video with your friends or on social media would be greatly appreciated too.